With the Scan2Lead app, you can capture contacts and leads digitally. Download the Scan2Lead app from the App Store or Google Play Store by searching for Scan2Lead and start the download. After installing the app, you can either log in directly or register first. If you haven't registered yet, start with the registration process. Step 1. Create an account with a password of your choice. Once registered and logged in, you will see this screen for Step 2. Enter the license key you received by email and activate your license. Then, select the event where you will capture contacts. Please note that the test license cannot be used for scanning at an event. Your login password is never the license key, it's the password you chose yourself. Would you like to scan a business card or a badge? Tap the corresponding menu option. We will scan a badge now. The data instantly appears on the screen and a lead is automatically created. You can edit the lead right away, add notes, complete the lead form, capture signatures or attach additional files. Everything is easily possible. It works the same way with a business card. I tap Cards in the app. The image is captured and within a few moments the information appears. A lead with excellent data quality is created. On your desktop, you can continue working in the Scan2Lead portal. There, you can also export your contacts and leads as an Excel file. Our support team will be happy to assist you with any questions. Let's make your exhibition appearance a success together.